Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you, and this is number 54. This is coming from Miss Tiffany, who is Tiffany219 on Instagram, and I will share her info in the description box, guys. If you go ahead and check her out, go down to the description box. Oh my gosh. Here we go. She's number 54. Let me just write this on here. All right. Look at this. Okay, let's look at her card. Oh my gosh. Just gorgeous. Hola, bonjour, hello, hi there, aloha. That's so cute. Oh my God, thank you, Tiffany. Eileen, I had a blast creating for you. I hope you have a safe and fun Halloween. I look forward to seeing your next creation. Your friend Tiffany Noel, Tiffany219. Yes, girly. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I do have some paper collections for Halloween that, you know, I know the month of October we're halfway through, but somehow I will squeeze them in. I won't be doing lives. I probably won't be doing lives. I don't want to say I won't, but I'm going to try not to because I want to focus on this space here. But look at what she did. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. She's got some little Polaroids, and then she's got these itty bitty bows with the skulls on them, and then these little girls with some kind of a bat headband or something, and she's got stickles on her, and it says creepy and scary. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness. And she signed the back too. Very nice, very nice. Thank you for doing that. Oh my gosh. So when I go to use it, I can see who had made it for me. And then there's a larger one. This is so cute. It says Happy Halloween. Oh my gosh. I love this idea. This is so cute. Thank you, Tiffany. Oh my gosh. You guys, she's also having a giveaway. So I will make sure I try to put her links down below. Go check her out. And look at this beautiful. Is this a die cut or did you freehand these? But it's got the Scary Movie mask, and she's got her little black outfit on, and I love how she put the white pen outlines all the way around. It just gives her a lot more dimension to her dress. And her stocking, she went ahead and put some fishnets on her. Wow. It's all paper pieced. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. And look at that face. Did you do her face? That is so tiny and so much details, guys. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Tiffany, thank you so much for sharing this. Oh my goodness. This is her memory decks. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Gorgeous ice cream cones. Halloween ice cream cones. The skull cones and the bat wings. But look at their eyes. So gorgeous. So much detail. I don't know if she drew them or if they're stamped. But they're gorgeous. I love it. How can you love skulls easy when they look this gorgeous? You know what I'm saying? Like, that is beautiful. And then the back says Happy Halloween, and she has her card right here. I'm gonna pull this out. Love all the glitter. Look at the fence. Spooky fence with that gorgeous glitter background. Oh my God. And the Jemmy. Oh. So it just says, it has her info. It says Tiffany219 on Instagram and YouTube. And she is from North Carolina, Kannapolis, North Carolina. Oh my gosh, girl, thank you for joining and participating. This is beautiful. Hot pink and black with white outline. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Thank you, Tiffany. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I greatly appreciate all the work that you put into this. The coloring, the stickles, the everything. just beautiful, girly. Thank you so much. Guys, go check her out. I'll link her video, her Instagram and her YouTube channel in the description box. Go and show her some crafty love, and don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. These ladies are super talented. You don't want to miss out. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.